Hello everyone, friends. Welcome to Coin Engineering. In this video, we will answer the questions you have sent us. Recently, you asked your questions about coin engineering on our Coin Engineering Instagram account. Yes, today we are answering them. We have gathered your questions. Come on, let's start our Q&A together.
Yes, let's start. I will ask you the questions from our friends. Our first question comes from Salahatin. What will be the price of BNB in 2-3 months?
What will be the price of BNB in 2-3 months? Sit down and make yourself comfortable. BNB is the native exchange token of the Binance exchange. And for a long time, we've been holding this Binance coin BNB to participate in launch pools, launch pads, and pre-sales. BNB has been stable for about 3 months. This is something that positively affects its price. Additionally, since it is the coin of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, it has global popularity. Oh my god, it's beautiful. And currently Binance has the Binance Holder program. There is the Binance Launch Pool program. And if you hold BNB, for example, airdrops come. Recently, Anime Pog came, Pengu came. Many coins came as airdrops. So what do people do? You stake this coin. There is a benefit. You earn staking income. You don't experience significant drops during bear seasons, and you also receive coins as virtual airdrops. Besides that, it also gives coins from launch pools. In the past, the price of BNB was $2, $4. We have been holding it for quite some time to participate in launch pools. We used to hold it. Before the previous bull run, it was around $20. Then it went up to over $600. It dropped to the 200s during this bear season. Now it's hovering around $640 again. Binance. I think BNB can easily surpass $1,000. Along with the advantages BNB offers, I have quite a bit of my own BNB staked. My average is quite low. In fact, I had a video on Coin Engineer. BNB was $20 and I said it would be $1,000 one day because it's obvious. You know, some things are clear. We've been saying it for years anyway. I won't sell my BNBs right now. I don't think I'll sell them before it reaches $1,000. Besides that, there's this BNB chain. How did Solana become popular? There are meme coins on Solana. Solana is used in pump and dump schemes. Now they're trying to do the same with BNB. They're trying to do it on the BNB chain. If they activate the BNB chain, what will people do to buy coins on the BNB chain? They will buy BNB from Binance or from the market. They will buy coins with it on Metamask, on BSC. That's why I won't sell BNB at these prices. Did they ask about 2 to 3 months, right? Friends, I don't know if it's 2 to 3 months, but I won't sell BNB until the peak of this moment.
All right, then let's move on to the next question. Zulga Mutlu asked, I'm new, I don't know how to start. Note, 18 years old.
18 years old, just starting in the market.
Exactly.
Honestly, I wish I were 18, friends. I'm currently 25 years old. I was born in 99. Let me give an example from myself. How did I start when I was 18? Then, what would I do if it were now? Because I also have a sibling who is 18, 19 years old. You know, what example do I set for them? Let me show it like that. What did I do myself? I was also attending university. I had just gotten into university. I had just moved to Istanbul. I was dealing with other jobs. With the money I earned from there, I was trying to invest in crypto. When I first got into it, there was Litecoin, there was Ripple. You know, it's not important for the amount of money to be large. I had 500 lira. At that time, KYK was giving us 250 lira monthly. My KKK, money was coming in. I was buying coins with 200 lira. I was buying Litecoin. I was buying Ripple. Think of it this way. First, you need to watch educational videos. But as an 18-year-old, for example, put 100 lira into the stock market. 100 lira is not a very large amount of money right now. You know, the value of money has decreased. Put in 100 lira, put in 500 lira. Experience this for yourself. If you experience this at a young age, when you earn larger amounts of money in the future, this experience will translate into much larger sums. Apart from that, you can research ways to make money online. You can acquire skills for yourself. If you're 18, I suggest you acquire skills related to crypto. You can write articles. Keep researching continuously. What about yourself? We already have a lot of training in coin engineering. Set up a notebook for yourself. Study by taking notes from there. Even if it's small, invest your money. Besides that, there are also ways to earn money for free in this market, like airdrops, like testnets. We also constantly share airdrops. Besides that, you can improve your LinkedIn profile and apply for extra jobs. For example, I used to work in Telegram groups. I was an admin in the Telegram groups of exchanges. Besides that, I was writing for websites. I was translating white papers from English to Turkish. There are many job opportunities in crypto. It actually depends on what you want to focus on. For example, my brother likes leverage. He turns his 50 into 1,000. He turns his $1,000 into $2,000, then transfers his money to spot, cashes out, and wants to buy a motorcycle. Everyone's life is different. Their dreams are different. Intelligence levels are different. Interests are different opportunities. If you know a lot of English, or if I were 18, I would definitely want to know English. And this crypto market is very exhausting. If I were 18, I would also go to sports, add new skills to myself. I would never stop. I would constantly try to improve myself. For example, compared to my 25-year-old self, you as an 18-year-old, rest assured, you are much more advantaged and can do many more things. When I was 18, I had very little money. With bonuses and such at the bank, I was experiencing financial difficulties at that time. Crypto and gas saved me before I turned 40. I wasn't there. We weren't there. Crypto suited my efforts. In the extra time left from school, I did airdrops. Besides that, for example, I was receiving an Ethereum salary once a week. Do you know, I was working at an exchange. They were giving me a weekly salary of 1 Ethereum. 1 Ethereum was $80.
Very good.
It was good. With them, I was making baskets. I was constantly buying coins with KK money. A week later, I would look, the market had crashed, my money had halved. I would say, okay, then I won't leave my homeland. More crypto research. I was obsessed. I was sleeping little, constantly trying to learn. You need to be obsessed. In Turkey, conditions are a bit tough right now. Our phone rang. That's right. Your age is very nice.
Keep going, keep researching, calculating on the exchanges, already experiencing difficulties.
Yes, have an account on all exchanges. They have promotions, participate in them. Meet a lot of people. Here in crypto here, there might not be crypto in your circle, or there might be a lot of idle people around you. My circle is also very bad at 18, and where I come from, my friends, I couldn't even go to university. That's why where we come from, it all ends with oneself, and networking is very important. Meet lots of people, and they can change your life. If you have 5 professors around you, you will become the 6th professor. Have 5 people with bad habits around you, no matter how proper you are the 6th. You will resemble them. That's why it's important.
Entering quality environments is very important.
Yes, networking is also important. Everything is important, friends. Take care of yourself.